Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia and welcome everybody. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. And today I'm bringing you another backdrop. As you know, I love my backdrops. If you want to see what I did and how I did it, stay tuned and let's get to it. To fluff your flowers up, you gather your 3 top petals and you just pinch at the bottom. And that's gonna be your finished flower. So, what did you guys think? I think it's a really cute and adorable way to do your backdrop. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, suggestions, anything like that, just comment down below. And yes, I'll see you all back in my next video. Bye bye.